girl. Whoa, girl. Good morning, folks. My name's RAWBIE'S, and this is Low Buck Bike Builds. And today I've entered myself into Rat Rod Bike Build Off. So here I have a frame. Story here. I have to build this bike for a friend of mine. What happened was we were out in Portland and there was this Surrey quad car I wanted, and we took a bunch of bikes with us, and one of them was this bike here, the Soft Ride, and I traded it. So now I got to build him a bike, and he wants a laid back head tube with a long fork. So here's our candidate. I don't know what it is. Some kind of bike. Don't know. It's a bike. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this head tube off. But I want to lay it back. So right there. I don't want to take too much off because it's going to shorten it. And then once I get that done, we are going to come over here and we're going to cut here and maybe here somewhere. But for now, I just want to get that cut and see if this is going to work. This is just a donor frame. I don't know. If it works, then we're going to use this frame. If not, throw it out and we're going to try something different. But yeah, let's cut that off and see what happens. So I want to cut it right there, and I want to cut it right there. So we'll see what happens here. Bring this down a bit. There we go. No turning back. All right. Well, this head tube is not going to work. So, plan B. There we go. Right there. That's what we're going to do. So, we're just going to hack it. Yep. That's what we're going to do. So, stay tuned, folks, for part 2 of the whack job, and we'll see what happens. That's what I'm calling this bike, is the whack job. So peace out, everyone. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment on the channel.